Okay, today we're going to go for a test drive in my 1974, my unair-conditioned 1974 BMW 2002 Tii. So the BMW 2002 started out in 1966 as the BMW 1600. I don't think it was maybe it was 1602. I don't know. Which was a 1573 cc engine, carbureted. The car was later updated to a 2002 model, which was a 2-liter carbureted model at first. The first 2002 touring sedan was a Ti, and it was a carbureted version of the 2-liter that produced 119 horsepower versus I think the base engine was around 100. The Tii included fuel injection, and it boosts the horsepower up to 130, which is no rocket ship by any means, but a very comfortable cruising car, very peppy, as you can see from that acceleration. One thing I like about the car, even though it's a 4-speed, which I think some of the later models might have been 5 speeds, it cruises on the highway really well. At 70, I did it this morning. It runs at 4,000 RPMs, which in a lot of cars feels a little bit like you're pushing the motor. But in this car, no, it does not. It feels very comfortable at 4,000, even 4,000 plus. The car redlines at 6,400 RPMs. So it's again a touring sedan designed to be able to be driven on the Autobahn, so cruising at relatively high speeds. That got up a little over 50, which I don't want to do much more with all the speed traps. So this particular car was purchased as a restored car. You've seen the walk around video, you see the condition, paint, body very good, engine highly detailed, but unfortunately this happened to me several times. The engine wasn't quite what it should have been, and it was very noisy, and it smoked on deceleration, and took it to a shop here locally known for working on BMWs, and 5 figures later, with maintaining the original block, boring and sleeving the cylinders, all new pistons, rods, rings. The head was warped, so I can't believe it. I can't remember. I think we got a period correct head that someone had for it. So all of that work later, we're back, and we're really to a very smooth, quiet, idling, performing car. So pretty much like the 2002 Tii would have been when it was new. So very comfortable car, although it'd be more comfortable if I had air conditioning. This particular car doesn't have a radio. It's one of the only cars I have without a radio, but I don't listen to radios much anyway. I like to hear the motor in the car. So everything works, even the original BMW clock. So that's it. Hope you learned a little bit about the BMW 2002 Tii and enjoyed the drive with me today. Thank you for coming.